So I have Shirley right here, and she's ready to buy a new pair of glasses. So what I like to do is I like to greet the patient, shake their hand. It's a good bonding, good relationship building thing. So how you doing, Shirley? Great. You here for your new pair of glasses?
Certainly.
Awesome, awesome. Well, let's go ahead and take a seat here, and we're gonna go through about 3 to 5 pairs and get you your perfect pair that'll make you look gorgeous. Why don't you go ahead and take a seat here in a nice comfortable chair, and we'll go through the selection process. It's gonna be really fun. Alright, so what I did here is I made a really good introduction, established rapport with the patient, pulled out the chair. I mean, come on, who pulls out the chair for you anymore? It just feels so good when people do that. But what I was really doing is I was establishing dominance and authority in taking control of the sale. I want the patient to know that every step of the way, I'm going to be guiding him through the selection of frames, and that starts at pulling out the chair, making frame selections for them, and then putting the glasses on them and making sure I'm in complete control. I'm going to tell them which looks good, which one's going to fit with our RX, and which one fits within their budget, and I'm never going to prejudge about any of it.